This is a new Falcon Eyes PockeLite. It's the F7. It's built like a tank. I really like this. The thing I really like about it, it's not only that it's bright as hell, but this. It's really nice. A simple hold press of the button turns it on. It's metal, very nice. The buttons are very nice. Quickly adjustable. You can go from 0% all the way up to 100% on this light. It's seriously a bright light. I do like the arrangement of the knobs on the sides. They're easy. A simple press of the button switches to RGB mode. You can go through and correct and handle and adjust all these things with these knobs. Here's the hue, adjusting that with the top button. There's the percentage again, it stays with the intensity. Press again. Now you're can adjust saturation. Very, 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 very nice. Now we do another press and we're back to scenes. There are plenty of scenes in here. A simple press gives us, I believe that's the fire engine or police car or whatever it is. All sorts of different police car scenes, lightning scenes, and alteration of those. There's another different lightning scene. There's just a ton of different scenes in here. I think there's 20 in all, and you can adjust each scene. 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yeah. I do like the buttons. They're very tactile. They're very easy. They're very not clicky. And it's easy to hard press and move around. Here on regular mode, I'm just moving the K value. I can go all the way down to 2500K, and I can zip it all the way up to 9000K. That's a great range. I can get all these things in combination are great. Here's the USB port, which the included adapter has to be able to power the batteries. Down below, I really appreciate having a quarter 20 right into the aluminum housing. Gives me so many different mounting options. Great thing. Now here we are at 8%. This thing it's seriously bright. I like the front panel. I don't know what this stuff is. It's an interesting thing on the protective over the LEDs, the protective thing on the LEDs. Now, when I opened the box, I took out the light and didn't look at anything else. We have your typical user manual, and here's a cute little trick. All the different 20 settings. It's a nice little sticker. You can peel these off and just stick them if you want. Just go ahead and stick them on the back of the light, and that way you don't have to guess which type of preset you're going to. This is a great case. It feels good. It feels solid. The zipper is solid. And hey, look at there. Things fall out. You got a cold shoe mount for this thing. And this thing, which really surprised me, it's all metal, machined, very, very nice piece of aluminum, as they say, and it's multi-adjustable. You can adjust one end to whatever you have. Whatever you want to screw it in, the other end just flips around. Great, great, great stuff. Really cool piece of stuff. And then finally, of course, we have the charging cord. Very nice, nicely wrapped. You just plug it into the light and it'll recharge. Nicely wrapped, nice twist ties and everything else. Now on the back of this surprised the heck out of me. I mean, you have this, they're almost like neoprene. They easily unvelcro and pull out and velcro and pull back in. You have this, which is basically a honeycomb. Did not expect a honeycomb for this light. And then you also have this diffuser, which again, I didn't expect at all. I didn't think this thing was going to work at all. You just grab this thing, grab the light. Right now I have it again. It's a very bright light. It's about 15%. You just throw this neoprene thing right over the light, strap it on, and you have a really nice, softly diffused light. Very impressed with it. I would definitely use this as a fill light. I could also use it as another type of light. Now the honeycomb thing, this just, I didn't even, they included it and it just kind of blew me away. This is a really nice effect to have and a really nice thing to include. They come off easily. This is really cool. Wow, well, that's pretty intense. That's cool too. There's another one. Haha, green. I bet you that'd be really good for the green screens. Regular white. Oh, it's playing, man. Yellow. Yeah, I'm not looking at that, or I'm just gonna go spastoid and like fall on the floor. Would I recommend this light? I really would. It's bright as hell. It's got tons of different samplings of things you could do with it. You can set each of the hues and saturations independently. It gets a long battery life, and you can just drop this thing onto any magnetic type steel object, set it any way you want. The case is cool. The diffuser is cool. I really like this thing. I think it's 140 bucks or something. I think it's a deal. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm doing a test right now. I think it's BS. It's something about these flashing lights, and if they flash, if you look directly into the flashing light, something bad's gonna happen. I'm gonna prove that wrong right now. I'm just gonna sit here and stare at this, and I'm gonna see what happens. Yeah, there's nothing happening.